Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing day 13, or rather September 13 in my daily plan with me. And as previously stated, I'm using my FoxyFix personal ring bound in the pepper and the salt format. So I'm just going to pop this out real quick because I'm in a bit of a rush. But I need to get this done I need to get this done because I'm in a bit of a, oh my goodness. Got makeup on my desk. I'm in a bit of a rush because I have to go to this big seminar today for work. So I'm going to flip that over and start on my washi. Sorry. So I'm using Simply Gilded washi, and this is the gold bows in the white. And I'm just using that this week because it's it's non-assuming and it fits pretty well. And so that's that. And I just use a box cutter. Okay, so today I'm going to be out of the house virtually the entire day. So I'm going to just reach for this, and I'm using Hello Autumn, and I'll just show you what I have left real quick. And since today I'll be out of the house for the most of the part, I'll be using a full box. And I think I can do that right now. Actually, I will use, this one right here because it's perfect. I'll be writing notes all day today. So I'm just gonna take that off and place it right there. Oh, what's that? There we go. And the inserts I'm using are the daily, actually they're daily freebies from the Peanuts Planner Co. They're freebies once you join her group. She has, on Facebook, she has them loaded in the freebie category. So I highly suggest you join her group. She's got great style and she's really has an eye for sleek perfection, really. So I'm just grabbing the 13. I'll put that right there. And I'm gonna grab my pen. I've put the other one away, so I'm just gonna use this just normal ballpoint pen. 13. And today's November 2018, so that's there. I'm just gonna zoom you out a little bit, and I'm gonna do my glitter headers. Today's the beautiful ruby, and fun fact, I actually really love ruby, the gem itself, to the point where, so mine is, my birthstone is emerald. I'm born in May. And I've actually said to my mom, why couldn't you and Dad have had sex later in the year so that I could be a ruby gemstone birthstone? I must have been like 10 when I said that, FYI. That did not bowl over very well. But I still think about that every once in a while and it cracks me up. So I've just put down the glitter headers, and I'm putting down my water tracker. I'll need to definitely keep an eye on that because when I do these seminars or when I do any work events, I tend to forget. Okay, so I've got that down there. I'm just gonna go and get a highlighter. I'm gonna use my mild liner, this one here. I'm gonna highlight the hours that I'm out, and I'm halfway. It's about 9:30 to 5:30. Good enough. So I've got that there, and I'm gonna use my work stickers. Actually, I'm gonna use these ones here because I can write KBB right in it. So I'll put that right in the middle. So this is where I am today at KBB DigiCon in London. Oh, and that's gonna be loads of fun. I can feel it. And then I'm also gonna put a to-do list on this side. If I can find my headers, I'll put a to-do. Oh, no, actually, I'm gonna put Etsy down because that's what it is. I got some orders last night, so I'm gonna see if I can try to fulfill them today. Orders, and I want to keep filling my stock up. Okay, so then that's that, and then tonight I want to do my exercises, although I am going to be exhausted, so I'm going to use the glitter quarter box. Keep it pretty. I'm going to do that around this time, I think. I'll do, yeah, you're right. Okay, I'm going to put, hit, circuit. Okay, and that's that. I just realized I don't know where my penny stickers are for that one, but that's okay. And today, I'm not cooking dinner since I won't be here. P is cooking. And knowing him, that means he's gonna order out. So I'm gonna have to be careful with that. So I think, I don't see any coffee stickers. What a shame. I think that's it. All right, so I'm just gonna pop that back in. And that's everything. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up if you like what you saw. Hit subscribe if you want to see more. And I will see you next time. Bye.